Ready? Start. We must bear in mind the comparatively recent growth of our industries and the short history of our industrialization stop. India has been looked upon for ages as a predominantly agricultural country stop. Those who swore by that statement little realized the wealth of resources that were available in the country and which could, if properly tapped and efficiently exploited, place this country in the forefront of industrialized countries of the world stop. We have, however, to realize that in the process of this industrialization, we have to make up the levy of decades, nay, countries stop. There has never and never can be anything like an industrial revolution in this country stop, which would quickly transform its agricultural economy into a predominantly industrial one stop. Our industrialization, starting at a time of more progressive ideas than characterized the industrial revolution of Europe, has naturally to take note of modern ideas of the relationship between employers and labor and between these and the general community stop. It has also to take note of what would, in the context of 18th century conditions, be severe handicaps and drawbacks stop. These naturally place limitations on the freedom of individual initiative and enterprise stop. They naturally reduce the limits within which personal ability, talent and competence can function stop. If you add to these complexities those of international finance, trade movements and the big handicap of foreign domination, you have a picture of difficulties which would make even shut out hearts tremble. Stop over.